Paul Buchanan has lost his bid to overturn the result of the September 3 general election in West Central St. Andrew. This after the Constituted Authority refused a request he submitted earlier this month. Buchanan lost the seat to Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness. Since then, he has falsely insisted he was the true winner of the West Central St. Andrew seat. Tonna Thomas has the details.
On September 16, Buchanan filed an application with the Constituted Authority seeking to void the election result in the seat that's been represented by the Prime Minister since 1997. The application cites a number of alleged irregularities and breaches in the conduct of the election. In the final count, Dr. Holness tallied 7,090 votes to Buchanan's 4,980. But during a podcast interview, Buchanan falsely insisted that he was the clear winner in West Central St. Andrew.
I believe in my heart I won the election and I won it very big. There are 33,000 voters in that constituency. We have 3 divisions, 8,000 in the civil rights division, smallest. We have 11,000 in Olympic, which is Mr. Holness's strong area. And there is Mullines, which has 13,400, by far the largest. We have never lost it, not since adult suffrage. You knew that if Mullines came out, the election was lost, no matter what he did down at Olympic.
On Wednesday, the Constituted Authority set the record straight. The election result will stand. In a statement on Wednesday, the Electoral Commission of Jamaica ECJ says Buchanan's request to overturn the result was denied. According to the Commission, Buchanan relied on Section 37 of the Election Petition Act to support his request. In that section, it's noted that a request can be considered in the event of an upsurge in violence or any irregularity during election day in one or more polling stations or polling divisions or in any electoral division or constituency. The ECJ says Buchanan submitted several affidavits from himself and others in support of his request. But the Electoral Authority says after careful consideration of the affidavits and the relevant case law, the Constituted Authority found that the evidence presented did not satisfy the standard contemplated by the wording of the law. As such, the Constituted Authority refused Buchanan's request. The ECJ says it informed the PNP caretaker of the authority's decision in writing on Tuesday. It also provided him with a copy of the written reasons for its decision. Tonna Thomas for Nationwide News.
And that request from Paul Buchanan was submitted earlier last month. Of course, this is a new month.
The country's Independent Fiscal Commission, IFC, is warning of potential shortfalls in government revenues and capital spending. That's according to its 2025 statement on fiscal performance released on Wednesday. The IFC warns this could have a material impact on meeting budgeted targets. Siobhan Campbell tells us more.
The Independent Fiscal Commission, IFC,